The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to talk about adoption when the father is unknown in Illinois. If a mother wants to place her child for adoption or have her new spouse adopt the child and be a co-parent with her, she has to obtain the father's consent or terminate the biological father's parental rights. We have a different article and video about how to terminate parental rights at learn-about-law.com. The father also has to be made a party to the adoption case. But what if the mother is unsure who the father is? If the mother is unsure who the father is, everyone who qualifies as a putative father must be added to the case. Putative father is a term of art and is defined by the Illinois Adoption Act. So we're going to go through a list of who qualifies as a putative father. Anyone who meets any of these definitions is generally considered a putative father. Now, I will say not all of these definitions apply in all cases. So you have to read the Adoption Act carefully to see if a particular definition applies in your case. But, we'll just generally go over what these definitions are. So you are a putative father generally if you were married to the mother on the date of birth or within 300 days prior. If you've been named the father according to an order of parentage, so a court order or a voluntary acknowledgement of paternity. If you openly lived with the child or the mother and held yourself out to be the father during the first 30 days after the child's birth. If you made a good faith effort to pay reasonable expenses related to the birth of the child and provide financial support during the first 30 days of the child's life. If you maintained substantial and continuous or repeated contact with the child. If you openly lived with the child for 6 months within the year preceding the placement of the child for adoption, and if you held yourself out to be the father during that time. Or if you have timely registered with the Putative Father Registry. So the Putative Father Registry allows potential biological fathers, whether they're sure that they're the father or not, to register within 30 days of the child's birth in order to establish rights to notice prior to adoption. And the burden is on the biological father to do that and to find out that the child's been born and that he is the potential father. Even if the woman lies to him about and says someone else is the father, it's still on the potential biological father to register with the Putative Father Registry or risk losing rights to prevent an adoption. If the father is unknown and there is no putative father, we'll talk about what happens in that situation. So again, all of those definitions are if you know that someone meets one of these definitions, that the putative father, and they have to be added to the adoption case. Now, if we don't know who the father is and no one qualifies as a putative father, the mother can request that the court name all whom it may concern unknown birth father as a party to the adoption case. And then the mother has to publish notice of the adoption case in a newspaper of general circulation in the county in which the case is being held. If no one responds to that notice, then the mother can request that the court terminate the rights of any unknown biological fathers. And then she can go ahead and proceed with the adoption case. So if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments section below this post at learn-about-law.com or below the video on our YouTube station. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to us on YouTube, Apple Podcasts, I'm used to iTunes, Apple Podcasts now, or SoundCloud. You can also subscribe to us on our email list at learn-about-law.com. And any way you do this, you'll be notified of our daily article and video topics that we're posting. If you need some help, please give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have offices all around Chicagoland for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.